Now that you've learned about what invasive species are and what the different types of both land and aquatic invasive species are, I will inform you on how to stop these invasive species from spreading and continuing to destroy Minnesota land, lakes, river, etc. When it comes to land invasive species such as common buckthorn and garlic mustard, there are 5 easy steps in preventing the spread and growth of them. According to the DNR Minnesota website, it states to clean your gear before entering and then again before leaving the recreation site, such as a campsite. The next step is to remove mud and seeds from clothes, pets, gear, and vehicles. The third step is to burn only local or certified firewood. The next step is to use only local or certified weed-free hay. The last step is to stay on designated trails. These are very simple steps to follow and help the forests of Minnesota tremendously in the fight against invasive species. Along with the forests being affected with invasive species, there is a much bigger problem under the surface of almost 1,000 Minnesota lakes, according to the Star Tribune Minneapolis, newspaper of the Twin Cities. From zebra mussels to jumping Asian carp, as mentioned by one of my partners, lakes are being invaded and destroyed constantly. There are many effective ways to stop the spreading of these invasive species. For zebra mussels and other aquatic invasive plants, there are 3 main steps in preventing them from spreading. The first is to clean all visible species off of your boat or water vehicle before leaving and entering water access spots. The second is to drain the water vehicle before leaving the water access spot. A live well is a good example of that. The last step is to dispose of all unwanted bait in the trash. It is illegal to put unwanted bait into the water, as this is a common way to transfer invasive species. From my partner's speeches, you learned what invasive species were and the different types of invasive species, both on land and in water. Also, how devastating they have been to Minnesota forests and bodies of water for many years. Each year, Minnesota spends roughly $53 billion in an attempt to stop the spreading of land and aquatic invasive species. If everyone followed these simple steps, both land and aquatic invasive species would be reduced dramatically, and the Minnesota forests and lakes could thrive once again. Thank you.